AE, yes.
Ben Tan, a 20-year-old male studying at Republic Polytechnic, is in his third year of his diploma in aerospace engineering. Being a gaming addict and a food junkie, Ben was never keen on exercising and was therefore severely overweight. If Ben was unable to achieve a gold or silver award for his NAPSA test, he would not be entitled to a 2-month reduction for his national service. This greatly disheartened Ben.
So this is supposed Ben is overweight student. So we actually designed a fat camp for him,
Okay.
which
Fat
is
what?
a fat camp, which is
Camp,
a
okay.
intensive training camp for him.
Okay.
It's a 4-day 3 nights thing.
Okay.
So paper, all the paper. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. So we've actually designed workshops for him so that he can cook healthy meals, some exercise, like what types of exercise he can do.
Okay.
This will be a 1 to 2 hour workshop course.
Okay.
So after this camp, they'll have complete access to the gym during operating hours with personal fitness trainer, and they will have monthly fitness tests to record their progress.
Okay.
They will also be part of the Tough Club, which is compulsory for overweight students. During this camp, we'll carry out the Amazing Race, which is a 5-station. But these 5 stations will be modified to be easier for them.
That'll be on the last day of the camp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the buddy system is like a fitness workout partner.
Okay. Interesting. Okay.
If you want, you could see our prototype.
Yeah. Sure.
This is our classroom for the camp. So these are the students and all. As you can see, these are motivational stuff on the wall.
Okay.
And yeah, this is basically our prototype. How the classroom's gonna be like, and then they'll be teaching them about, say, how to eat healthy, some exercises they could do to keep fit.
Okay.
But it's only going to be 1 to 2 hours, this workshop, so it won't really take up much of their time.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not really intensive lah. Then we have the outdoor one, which is... Yeah. This will be part of our Amazing Race, which includes the 5 stations, as Marcus mentioned.
Okay.
So we'll actually change it a little bit to make it easier for them because they're slightly overweight. So these are the 5 stations, and then we're gonna do the recording later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Just to start off, your branding of the camp, you should not use. I mean, if possible, try not to use the word fat camp because fat is quite demoralizing for an obese person that asks him to join the camp. Maybe you should try to change the name, something like boot camp, like what you have down there. I think I saw boot camp. So boot camp at least is like army style, so it's not so demoralizing. For overweight people, if you brand it as a fat camp, then you're saying it's
Tough camp.
tough also can, something different, not the word like obese or fat or something. So use other words. So I think boot camp or tough camp would be good. And basically 4 days 3 nights. This is what we don't have now. But if you can get them to sign up, I think that would be great. Okay. Maybe I can just refer back to the plan. Okay, so the workshops cooking healthy meals is an interesting idea. So for a segment in your camp, you can have something like this, right? A workshop, you can get a chef down, a healthy chef preferably, to teach the students how to cook healthy meals at home. So that after they camp, when they go back and they prepare their food, they can also cook something healthy, like make bread, sandwiches that are healthier rather than going to the McDonald's. So this is very important. A segment inside, like what you mentioned, that has teaches the students how to cook. Okay. Another thing is the buddy system. Buddy system is very important because currently if you're gonna have like individually, they may forget and they may like drop out. But if you have a buddy system, the two of them can encourage themselves because they're in the same position, right? They have a high BMI. They are what do you call that? Both want to keep fit. They want to pass their NAPFA, and get the 2 months exemption. So if a buddy system, they can at least push each other along the way. So they can be paired up probably at the start of the boot camp or the tough
Good
camp.
about themselves because they're with other obese people.
Correct. So have a buddy system and then to go through this camp. Okay. Okay. With regards to the gym, okay, operating hours with personal trainer. It's for personal trainers we only have one in RP, so it's quite hard to support like a group of maybe 100 or 200 people. So we may want to think of an app, online app, fitness trainer app. Okay, there's a lot available in iPhone, iPhone apps that they can actually click on the app when they go to the gym with their partner, with their buddy. So they click on the app. Today maybe it's 30-minute intense calorie burn day. Then they have exercises in the app that will talk to you and will show you. Okay, later I'll show you a sample. I have it at my phone also actually. So you can actually incorporate that rather than hire a personal trainer, which is going to be very expensive, and to hire one for 100 over people is quite impossible lah. It requires a lot of money. So to have an app is free, or you can just pay at $1, $2, and you get the app already. Okay, so it's quite professional. I mean, if you're not going for competition or national championship, it's okay, just for weight loss. Yeah. Okay, the monthly fitness test. This is good because you need to track their improvements, right, in the fitness. And the Amazing Race being the last event of the camp is also a good idea. So you can like sum it up together. They can try and maybe you can think also how to make the Amazing Race stations more fun. So add a fun element to it, because I saw your stations is all actually actual NAPFA, the 5 stations. So maybe you can twist it a bit, like you said, modify it, right, to make it a bit easier because they are heavy. But maybe you can change it to make it more fun. Like maybe your pull-ups, instead of do the pull-ups, you can do like monkey bars. Hold there for how long, that kind of thing. And they can do make it a team event. Monkey bar challenge. Then they do it. Because most probably they will not be able to do 5 pull-ups, right? So have modified games. Okay, so try to think about each station you have, the 5 station, then do a modified version of it that will cater to the not so fit individuals. You know what I mean? Like your 2.4, maybe not actually running the 2.4. You can do a relay challenge or a sandbag challenge. They carry a sandbag and then they have to jump. Then it's like a relay thing. And relays are always fun, right? Whether it's swimming or running. And sit and reach. Some other form of stretching, maybe yoga into your you can always hire a trainer or a student that knows yoga and teach them yoga, which will tackle the flexibility part. And sit-ups, probably a different form of exercise. You know what I mean? So everything's available on YouTube, Google. Just click on variations of NAPFA station, and there's so many exercises you can do. So that you can use for your Amazing Race challenge to add the fun element. Okay? Okay, this is all good. Okay, monthly fitness test.
Do you like our prototype?
Yes, I think it will work. Because camp is very interesting and it's quite important also that students go through camps. But after your 4 days, 3 nights, how do you want to carry on this? Because sometimes when you attend camps, you're on for that period of time, but when you leave, then after maybe 1-2 weeks, you kind of forget what you've learned.
We're going to actually still have the workshops after the camp.
Workshops, okay, very good. So you have a boot camp workshops.
Classroom workshops.
Correct. And then also the boot camp workshops to get them physically active. So this same group of buddies, right? Buddy system, this group of people that came, most of them, if they feel motivated after the camp, they want to continue with the workshops you have. So the boot camp, you can have one trainer and then a group of 20 or even 50 pairs. Then they are working out together. The same group, maybe in the field or something, to do exercises and all that. So that will still keep them motivated to carry on the program. Yeah. So find out how you link all these together. Okay, I'll just show you the app, the fitness trainer app. Okay, on my iPhone. I have it. check it out. Okay, you can actually download this and on your okay. This is the workout trainer. Okay, I downloaded this a while back. I think it's free. So you see basketball dynamics. You have scientific 7-minute workout. The A team pull up power, and if you click pull up power, it will load, and it actually talk to you while you're doing it. So you have a time limit, right? Yeah. So you can use this as the personal trainer, rather than actually hiring a personal trainer, which is not really possible because.
But we need someone to supervise them.
Then there's also the gym instructor there to supervise. There is an RP gym, so he's always there until 8 every night. But this can be a personal trainer for them. Okay, they have to pay already, but some of it is free lah. Like A Team Intense, this is free, 20 minutes. Okay, you can even save your workout. So I do my workout, select trainer. I'll select Kim, for example. So then it'll be her voice, right? It takes a while to download the workout. But basically it's Kim, she's a digital trainer. She will talk to the person doing the exercise and tell them, okay, now it's a push-up. Push-ups you have to do 50 in how many minutes. Then there'll be a countdown, everything. Yeah. So I mean, this is convenient, right? That they can use it. Yeah. Okay. So maybe you all can check it out. Just type workout trainer into your iPhone app. Yeah. Okay. I think it's taking quite some time. I won't show you now, but this is the idea. Yeah. So try to link it up together and also have a follow through after the camp. Yeah, but good idea. I mean, it will work. Camps definitely work. I mean, students, we all like camps. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Different types of exercise and give them some confidence to us. So we also have this monthly fitness test to measure their progress, and we host an amazing race after the camp. But we have 5 stations modified for that. It'll be similar to the 5 stations, but in a much simpler way. And we intend to do a buddy system for them, so that we can train together. Do you have any other solutions or feedbacks?
Do you think that this 4 days, 3 nights can change the whole, like their habits and everything? Because, okay, let's say this one obese guy, for example, right? Do you think he will follow up after this training? So you must find a way to convince him during the camp, right? That's my personal opinions, right? Yeah, but then what else you can do is, you can tell them what the consequences of not getting through this NAFA thing. Then they would, at least think that, I must change some things in order to pass the thing. Okay? So this is about it.
If when you go to year 3, right, you have to attend a compulsory NAPFA test for your army, your NS. So you get a 2-month reduction. Yeah, so you need to attend that. So we actually have a solution to have more students to attend the NAPFA. So this is our solution. We have a 4-day, 3-night TAF camp, and we inclusive of workshops, inclusive of like how to cook healthy meals, exercise, and also gain confidence, maybe by dressing and all. And we also have monthly fitness tests, so we can assess your progress, and an amazing race where the 5 stations would be modified. So the 5 stations of NAPFA, we're just going to modify it for the people in TAF to make it easier. Yeah, so that you guys could get a gold or silver to get a 2-month reduction of NAPFA. Of your army, yeah. Yeah, then we also have a buddy system so we can track your attendance and all, make sure you come for this 4-day, 3-night TAF camp and the workshops and everything. So what do you think of this solution? Do you think it'll work?
I think you mean like work as a
Successful to get people to attend the NAPFA test.
Yeah, I think it's because it's one it's easier to get goal, and because we boys we also want to walk fast as some people in NS, so why not let's go for my reduction.
Okay. So any improvements you think we can make?
I think it's quite good.
I think it's quite good.
Yeah.
Any but we're gonna have workshops like every week, so it's gonna be quite long, over maybe a period of 2 months. But the camp is gonna be at the end of it to track your fitness.
Maybe the camp can be attended like 2 or 3 years. I mean, longer, more people benefit from it. The bond will make to be much stronger, and then you're getting more friends.
So anything else? Alright, thank you so much.
So we have actually designed a 4-day 3-night tough camp, inclusive of workshops that are cooking healthy meals, exercise, and to boost their confidence. So we also have a monthly fitness test, which will actually measure the progress. And at the end of the camp, we have amazing race, which will include the 5 station, but it's a bit modified to be easier for them. We'll include the buddy system for them to like work out with each other. So do you have any feedback on this? How we can improve this?
I'm not sure really 4 days 3 nights will be enough for them to pass the NAPFA test. Then maybe have more days, maybe a week, more than a week or 2 weeks.
For the camp?
Yeah, just to make sure that they get used to it. Because 4 days 3 nights after that, maybe when they go back home, they'll feel lazy already. But if you let them have longer, they will get used to it. That's all.
For the workshops, do you have like anything you want to add? Like, what other workshops you can go?
Workshop, maybe ask the army people, or NS people come and give a talk about how national service require them to keep fit and tell them what they have to do every morning. So that maybe they can have every morning routine for themselves. That's all.
If you were one of them, would you actually go for this workshop? You would?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would go.
Alright.
And I believe a lot of my friends also would go if they haven't been to national service yet.
Okay.
It's highly recommended.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.